Hi ladies, in Algebra 1, welcome to your first Delta Math assignment. So your screen will look something like this, where all of your problems will be on the left, and on the right it shows you how many that you're supposed to do. So for this first one, there's 3, but this next one there's only 1 problem. So basically what you want to do is your best. That's the only expectation. You may know a lot of these skills already, you may not know some of them, and that's fine. So it doesn't matter what your score is, it's just really communicating to me what you already know. So just do your best, Hi ladies, in Algebra 1, this is your first Delta Math assignment. Your screen will look something like this. On the left is the name of the assignment that you're doing, and on the right is how many problems. So this first one has 3 problems. So you're done when you've done 3. You can do more, but you don't have to. And then this one only has 1. So once you answer it, you can go on to the next one. You may already know a lot of these things. You may not have seen some of these things. It's okay either way. Just do your best, and your score I'm not recording your score at the end. So you just do your best. This is just for you to show me what you already know. Good luck.